Welcome again to these video tutorials. In the last video, we show you how to upload an IPC and how to upload the different elements from the site, and how Sure will correlate those elements in the IPC to the elements that they are in the budget, and it will automatically come out with the first revision of the IPC. You remember we created a model for an IPC and we upload it to our contract. Here it is, this one. And well, we included only the 20% VAT, and we included only these two sites, general items site and site one. So if you go on it, you see that we have the IPC included here. You see the same happens to site two. Okay. In this video, we are going to show you how to check each of the items using Sure, and how to review it, and how to close an IPC. So let's start with it. Once you upload the document, Sure evaluates all the different units and quantities that the contractor says that is entitled to. So Sure has already evaluated, for example, the certificate, interim payment certificate for site one, and it has estimated and said that the contractor is asking for this amount of money. So let's go here to site one. Here we have this amount. You see we are in the site one, IPC 2 version 1, and in this amount you have the contractor estimation, in which the contractor has said, going through each of the items, and it has said how many of these quantities have been executed during this month, how much is entitled to. Sure creates this table for us, in which it compares all the items that the contractor is entitled to that we as supervisor have not reviewed yet, and writes it down as pending. And as we are reviewing and approving or rejecting the elements, Sure will update this table automatically. So what it says here is that for IPC 2 version 1, we have 7 items that are pending a review. So if I go down, I see that, let's go to the first chapter, which is setting out and clearance. I see that this setting out and clearance has 3 elements in the chapter, and the 3 of them are pending my review. So basically in this card, what Sure is giving us is the name of the index number and the description of the element. What is the contractor estimation in this current IPC in units? How much is our estimation? What it was done in the previous IPCs? And how many is the quantity in the budget? As you can see, you can have a first information here. You can have more when you go to review element. In review element, Sure shows the detail of the element considering all the different information that has been gathered into the construction. Here is the element. Here is the how much is in the budget approved, how much is the quantity estimated, how much is the unit price, how much is the total. If this element has some approvals pending as variation orders, Sure will show it here. And how many elements have been already previously approved in the other IPCs and how much is pending. In this case, since contractor has estimated that it has done some work here, we have a quantity, which is 0, of course, because we have not accepted yet, but we have a unit price, and we have the IPC pending here. We have for the IPC 2 version 1, we have some item pending. We go down, we can see more, you can see the detail regarding this IPC. You can see that the contractor has estimated 2.4 hectares, and we have not done an estimation yet. So one of the things that you do here is you put the review. You say, okay, the contractor has done 2.3 hectares. I will say that I'm a supervisor, I agree with it. Let's put it, let's say I agree. And let's say I approve, for example, as noted. Why not? Because maybe I want to remember that there is something missing, or let's just approve it directly. So here, save. And you see, this element has already been changed to approved, and we have already approved it, and we have it here. Let's review the next one. In this one, which is a removal of trees, we have exactly the same information. And going down to here, let's say that we do not agree. We say that it's 12. So we reject the contractor estimation. And here you have it. You have rejected here, and you have other items that are pending. Let's don't review it. Let's move forward. So now when you come here, the Sure has already said, okay, you have one approved, you have 5 pending, and you have 1 rejected. Okay. You can continue with the earthworks, this chapter. This one has more, so if you just want to search for the ones that are pending, just type here pending, and Sure will hide the other ones that are not pending. So we know that these earthworks, there are some items pending, and you can also go through it and review each of the elements. I will go ahead and review some of them without you watching the video because it's repetitive. And when I come back, we will talk about how to approve it or reject the IPCs. So I review some of the elements in the IPC. 2, we go to general items, which is one of the chapters. I said that, well, that's for the heck of it, right? I approved 2, 1 approved and noted. I rejected 1. And in that one that I rejected, as you can see it here. You can also search here, and it will show you the documents. It will show you the card. And well, I said that the contractor estimation was 0.2, and I would say, okay, that's 0.25. Of course, it's an example. There's nothing nothing serious on it. I did the same also to the. I also did the same to this site 1 documents. In this case, I rejected 2, which you can see it here, for example. It's in earthworks. I rejected 1. Let's find the one. Just type here reject. And yeah, here you have this one. The contractor estimated 600 cubic meters, and I would say, oh, that's 500 cubic meters. Okay, so we have an IPC now in which the contractor has estimated a number. We have estimated another one, and the options that we have are to approve it or to reject it. Right now, let it, leave it pending. I just wanted to show you in this video tutorial how you can review the elements after uploading the IPC. In the next tutorials, we will go to the IPC of the contract here, and we will be adding, the performance retention guarantee, the amounts that have to be taken out from the IPC for for giving back the advance payment and other deductions, etc. So this is all for now. I hope you find this useful, and I hope I will see you in the next tutorials. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.